break up, set of rocks, break the waves. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to climb up all these rocks here now. I think he might be more down to the end than up. Go up. Do some rock climbing. Let me get I'll get a view of this water up here. Look at that. Serious piece of water. Look at that there. That's an abandoned Half Moon Bay hotel being redesigned at the moment. My company is working, is doing work on it. Check it out. Oh, beautiful.